This is a $10,000 box of mystery beater sneakers that I purchased from Soul Steals. The other day, the opportunity arose where this box popped up on their site to purchase. Now, if you've never heard of Soul Steals and the mystery box that they've done before, they put together these insane boxes that have gone up to $30,000, $50,000 that are full of sneakers that are destroyed, that need to be clean, just used in general, but you get really good deals. So let's cut back to the other night of me purchasing this thing. The opportunity to buy a mystery box that has been asked for so many times, and I've not done one of these in a very long time, and that is the Soul Steals beater box just came up. They put up a $10,000 beater box, and these shoes in random size, random conditions, brand new, damaged, worn, needing restorations. So they have a description of it on the website. Purpose of this box is to get shoes for less than market price, but the shoes need to be cleaned or restored to get the value of the shoes, which makes sense. So I'm gonna buy this before anybody else does, because apparently they just put together two $20,000 box and a $30,000 box, and they sold just like that. So we're going to the checkout right now, and I'm not gonna show you my information, but I'm gonna check out. Pay the extra $6 for express shipping, and let's hope that Business Amex will let the payment go through. Here we go. Order's being processed. Come on, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. There it is. Order's in. This is the biggest mystery box that we've paid for in a very, very long time. And if this does well, we're going 20, we're going 30, 40, 50, we'll keep it going. And just like that, we're here with a $10,000 box of mystery beater sneakers. We did one of these back in the day, and you guys loved it. And I've honestly seen this in the comments ever since then to do another one. So let's see how this is gonna go. I don't know, last time we did one of these, it was like a $20,000 box, and it ended up being like some Dior's and some crazy stuff. So today, we have a little bit more shoes, and let's see what we have. Oh man. All right, I wanna like keep looking. Ooh, I haven't had a mystery box that I've paid decent money for that I've been this excited for in a long time. So let's pull these out. Are we starting off with this just straight banger? Is this gonna be the MCA Air Force Ones, or is it gonna be the Travis Scott Air Force Ones? Because we haven't seen those in a long time. Ooh, it is the Travis Scott Air Force Ones with the changeable swooshes, which look, these are not beaters. One, we got a Tide to Go pen with that. That could come in handy. Some stains. Hey, perfect. Oh, maybe it comes with these because they stain easy. But these are honestly these are dead stock. So I guess we got a good pair. They do look like they have some sort of maybe staining or something there. Dude, I have not seen these in so long. These have removable swooshes. You can see right there. You can change them, and it comes with all of these. Check that out. Dude, this is weird. I feel like we haven't had these in so long.
You never see those, and not brand new like that.
No, not brand new. So the first shoe is not an actual beater sneaker, but let's check out the value on these, because I honestly have not seen these. It's been so long. All right, let's see what these are at, because these used to be crazy, because there's two. This is the sale, then there's an all white actual one. The sale in a size 10.5, $859, last sale $850. Let's see in the last one sold. 1022, so not too long ago. So that's a really, really good first pair right there. And we got something that wasn't too beat to start, and we'll see if there's any crazy used ones. Maybe there won't be too many crazy ones. Let's see. Next up, another Travis shoe, a Cactus Corporation, and I just saw a pretty crazy box that Nick's gonna love. This is a size 11.5 Nike Air Max 1 Cactus Corporation. This is gonna be the brown colorway. Check that out. When these came out, they were going for crazy money along with the other ones, but this is another dead stock pair. When we do these beater boxes, it's hit or miss. You're gonna either get some brand new ones or used ones. So far, we're getting some new ones. Great condition, and a size 11.5, which is my size. I don't wear Air Maxes too often, so I don't know if I'll be wearing these. This is like Travis themed already. These ones in a size 11.5, going for about 350 bucks. Last sale $450, but not too long ago. So we got two Travises to start, and we got a whole lot more to go. Let's go. All right, guys, gotta hop in here and give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, which is gonna be Sneaker Dunk. The Japan-born brand allows users to tap into millions and millions of users, of buyers and sellers in the Asian market, expanding access to rare and limited edition items. Sneaker Dunk is one of the only marketplaces to employ X-ray technology during the authentication process to ensure you get exactly what you pay for. Using the app is very simple. Download the app, find what you want, choose your size, and boom, got them. Here's some of my recent pickups from Sneaker Dunk. Let's open this up, pull it out, and boom, you got the authentication card right there. And then we have have the Jordan 4 Nike SB. Check those out. So after we pull that out, you will see right here, it says verified authentic with Sneaker Dunk on the back. And we have a brand new dead stock pair of Jordan 4 SBs. I freaking love these. And then we have a massive one, which is going to be a huge release that's come out recently. Got the authentication card again. That is going to be the Born and Raised one block at a time Nike SB. These things are beautiful. Again, with the Sneaker Dunk authentication tag right there, look at this pair. Brand new dead stock. These are gorgeous. Honestly, the colors on these are incredible. Sneaker Dunk's marketplace allows you to access Japanese releases like the Code JP. Selling your kicks on the apps is just as easy. Go ahead and press the plus button / sell button in the middle of the screen. As well as Sneaker Dunk is offering no transaction fees, so whatever price you list is the price you're gonna get back. And if you use my code Harrison, you'll get a free shipping coupon as well as an extra referral coupon. And we're also gonna be giving away a pair of Born and Raised Nike SBs. The rules are very simple. Hit the link in the description or scan the QR code that is on the screen. Use my code Harrison and sign up for free shipping and an extra referral credit. Remember to verify your email and phone number to successfully verify the giveaway. And the giveaway winner will be picked in 2 weeks time. Let me know if you guys have entered in the comments down below. Would love to see if you guys entered. Thank you so much to Sneaker Dunk for sponsoring this video. I'm looking when I shouldn't be looking. Oh my gosh. Oh man, there's a box in there that, woo! And this one too. Oh, I can see there's a Polaroid of this shoe on here actually. Size 11.5, great sizing. Nike SB high, check. Woo! Are these brand new? Oh my God, the stars look good. They might be lightly used. So this is the tie-dye Nike SB high. Do you know the formal name for these, Nick?
I don't. It kind of looks like the Huff Friends and Family, but I know it's not.
So, had a nice little Polaroid on there. Nick may have been correct in his assumptions. This is the Huff. Do we think these are new? I feel like there's a theme going on here with new shoes, but these last sale, $1,200. Lowest ask $3,500, but let's see, the sale before that was $600. There's only been 2 sales of these in the past 4 years. Brand new on StockX. There's probably a ton of these used on GOAT. Dude, these are my size too. These are some good collection pieces. If we're going for this size used, we're looking at $1,500. That's not a sale, but that's crazy. And these have a Stadium Goods tag on them as well. So these must have come from Stadium Goods. Check that out. Huff Nike SBs, really crazy pair. Add a few over here as we get them. I guess sometimes with these beater boxes, they swindle you and they go new. And we've had a lot of new ones, so I'm not gonna complain about that. So let's, oh my goodness. I don't even wanna look at what this is, but I'll just give you guys a hint that, check, I don't know if you can tell what that is, but we're gonna put that aside because I see a pair that's actually new. We're gonna swap these out. This is a pair that just came out that I had in a recent video that I thought was going to be a pair that does decent, and you wanna know what? They're flops. These things, they just dropped, they haven't even dropped yet. As we're filming this, they drop tomorrow, which you guys will probably see this like a week or 2 later. And they're going for $10 under retail. But this is a size 13, solid size right there. I just don't like the materials. I'd rather be regular leather, which they've already come out with, but I don't know. I think they missed on this one. And a lot of these pairs, ones that I can't wear, that I'm not gonna keep, are gonna be on harrisonnevel.com. Do not forget that. We're gonna be loading these up ASAP. And a lot of the pairs might even be sold out by the time you get there, so don't miss out on that. Restocks are always happening on the website, but that's the next one. So we're kind of adding up, we've been slacking on adding up the values. We're gonna go, first one was $850, the next one was $350. What do we say on the Huff SBs? I feel like that's a tough one. I say conservative. There's a hard one. There's only 2 sales. The last sale was 2 years ago. These are gonna put at 170 because that's what they're all sitting at, and it's an L. So our total right now is 2,000. We paid 10. So let's keep going and see. Oh, I'm really mad these aren't my size. I'm really mad these aren't my size. And this is another one we haven't seen in a long time. I can tell they're not my size just because of the size of the box. It's probably like a 7, a 6.5. A Nike, oh, this is one of my favorite shoes. And I don't have one. Oh, a brand new pair of Nike Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Fragments. These are, where's the Fragment logo? It's on the other one. There's the Fragment logo. I had 2 pairs of these and I beat them up and sold them. I need another pair of these. Yeah, I remember one time we had like 17 pairs of these at once. So yeah, we're looking at a bunch of new pairs of shoes. So the beater box is tough to say for the title, but we bought it, it was a beater box. These probably have gone down. Like we talked about if you watched one of our last videos, the sneaker market shifted a ton, and now is a really good time to get pairs you weren't able to get because of price. But on the other hand, obviously with the market, people don't have as much money as they did. Certain pairs like these don't really go down, I feel like. I feel like they people aren't selling them like that. This one's a size 6.5, for $971. So we're gonna go conservative and go 900. But like, let me see my size. I bought my pair for like 1,500 bucks, and right now my size $1,700. Like, it's weird. There's certain pairs that aren't going down, and that's why we're gonna make a video soon of like the best shoes to buy right now for resale and everything. We'll get into that later. So we're sitting at around $3,000 right now, and let's keep looking at what. Dog, there's really some heat in here. And if these are dead stock, that's really some heat. Not my size. Oh my, all right, we're gonna. I need to stop looking. Okay, this box is insane, dude. I saw the price on one of these pairs. All right, this, can we tell what it is? Can we tell what it is? A size 10. This is a size 10 Jordan 1 off-white. Dude, these are brand new. That's insane. A size 10 brand new Jordan 1 off-white. UNC. This is another one. This is a top 5 shoe for me of my favorites. So these in a size 10, last sale 1,600. We're gonna put these at, let's say, these aren't selling as much, let's say 1,300. So right now we're at 43.20, and there's so many pairs left in there. It's, dude, seeing these brand new is honestly crazy too. I remember, didn't I slide into home base with my pair on? Mm-hmm. Yep, I did.
Yeah, right. I did not expect you to actually slide.
I thought it didn't do anything. Look at that. Okay, so brand new pair of those. This is like gearing up to be one of the best boxes we've had. So let's keep going. I don't even know where to go. We have, this looks like another Air Max size 6. We've actually seen these a lot lately, weirdly. We've had a couple pairs of these, which is odd, but I guess they made a lot of them. And these I think are going for less than the other ones. These ones, size 6, are going for $190, yep. So pretty affordable, actually. I don't even know what to say. This is a massive box. This is, I haven't seen these in a long time. It's a tinted, which ones are these? My brain's going lost and found, but it's not lost and found. It's is it the Art Basel? I know it's
Rust pink.
Oh no, it's not. It's Jordan 1 Soulfly. This is a Soulfly. These are expensive, dude.
These are super expensive.
These are expensive, dude. This is a size 12 Soulfly Jordan 1. Didn't these come out like in Miami or something? Hold on. Yeah, it's the Art Basel. I knew it. Size. Okay, these went down for sure. Last sale $1,200. I thought these were at like $5K. They might have been at one point. I would say realistically these are probably like 1,100 bucks. It's crazy how much cheaper everything is now. $1,100 on these Soulflies. I knew that something was different with the Nike there, and it was an Art Basel, but really good pair. These are a crazy good pair. It's giveaway time on a pair of Travis Scott golf shoes. Rules for this giveaway are very simple. 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Number 2, follow me at harrisonnevel on Instagram. Number 3, leave a comment on the post that you guys see on the screen and tag 2 friends. It's over on my Instagram. We pick the winner on my Instagram in 3 weeks time. Do we make the rules? You have to drive at 250 because that bomb was at least 275, 285 maybe. That thing was freaking hammered. Don't miss out on this giveaway. And let's keep going. Ooh, dude, this keeps going. Another one that I'm mad is not my size. A reverse mocha and a Jordan 1 in a 3Y. You got a little kid size there. Check that out. 3Y is probably equivalent to like a women's 4. This is one of my tops. This is one of my top shoes. I feel like some of my top 5s are all in here. I love these, and I don't have a pair right now. I beat mine up, and then I sell them, and then I'm like, the new pairs are just way too expensive. 3Y is $315. If you're like 10-year-olds wearing $300 shoes, that's pretty nuts. I say that, and mine probably will be wearing some. Not that I'm planning to have kids anytime soon, because I'm absolutely not. All right, let's keep going. Let's see. We got a Air Force 1 box, small women's Air Force 1, size 7.5, all white. Is that it? Oh, it's the Utopia ones. We actually haven't had these. I know there's no real inherent value on these, and apparently if you look up the SKU, it's the same as a regular white Air Force 1. So it's kind of like Travis, they got the Air Force 1s from Nike and then just did a little bit of the burning on there of that, because that's the only difference. It doesn't matter. I don't have a pair of these because it doesn't matter to me. I don't care about that little extra Utopia. The Drake ones are levels above these. I had 3 pairs of the Drake ones. Yeah, this size 7.5, 150 bucks, which is still 50 over. This is literally a white Air Force 1 and they just took like a etching, I don't know, put it on there. But let's keep going. Nick, this is a pair that I have that's a little bit small, but I never would sell them and have sold them because I need them. It's a little small, but this is actually my size in a Jordan 4 off-white. Oh man, and dead stock. That's the hardest part about this though, is on dead stocking. But dude, it's a women's 13, men's 11.5. Perfect, dude. This is a top 5 too. Oh my goodness. Back when I got my pair, I think they were like $2,500. Check that out. And they're brand new. Making me look like an idiot with this beater box because there's not been any beaters yet. Last sale, $1,900. Let's see when that sale was. 2 days ago. Oh, a bunch of sales though for $1,500. So I'd say these are about $1,500, which is crazy, these are $1,500 now. So we're at $7,200 right now. I'm looking at these shoes and I'm like, this box in my brain where values were on all these is like $20,000 box, but it's lining up and it's definitely gonna be more than 10,000 for sure, which is like, with mystery boxes nowadays, it's hard to get the good value. All right, so we added everything to the couch. We have 11 pairs and a lot left to go. So let's keep going. This is an off-white box that I saw. This is I don't think it's a 1, because it would be dead stocking a 1 and those are like 5K. But this is a Nike Air Max, ooh, 97s. This is an interesting one. We got the Serenas of these back in the day. This is part of the 10 collection. It looks like they were like stored with one of the purple pairs because there's a little bit of like coloring on there. This is a part of the original 10 collection of the off-white. Just some pairs we haven't seen in a long time. And this one says 10.5, not my size. Just know, steals on the website. I know how the market has shifted. I know how to put these at steals. If you guys have wanted some grails that you haven't had in a long time, harrisonnevel.com. All right, last sale, 802. The sale happened about a month ago. So these are probably, oh man, it dropped a lot too. These are probably worth $650 now. Looking at around $8,000, and check those out. Beautiful pair, crispy. Finding these dead stock is difficult nowadays. All right, let's keep going. So there's this box that I've been seeing that's like really bright green. This is, I believe, I see Oregon Ducks. This should be the Blazer.
You've had this one.
Yeah, this is the Blazer. Oh wait, no, it's the Dunk. Oh, we have not had this one. And that's my size 11. This is really clean actually. So you got the Oregon logos on the back. I feel like this is one of the first Oregon like set of shoes that didn't go crazy. I don't know, maybe they weren't PEs, maybe they were released for everyone, but this is a size 11. I know those Blazers were not much at all. Oh, it is a PE. 2023, but is a cheap PE at $300. That is the cheapest PE that I think I've ever seen. Kai Somar must have bought these and then they released, because that's what always happens. You guys know, you know. Got those, and then we got 2 pairs left. Now I'm saving 1 pair because the price tag on there is half of the box. We'll see what happens. We have a Kobe here. Ooh, I would love if this is a Grinch's. Oh, it's not. This is the Mambacita in a size 10. This is a good one. We've had a couple pairs of these, not a ton recently. These I think are in the $400 to $500 range. Sweet 16 Mambacita. Oh, actually $650 last sale. These went up for sure. So we'll put those at, let's say 600. So we're at 88.10 right now before the final shoe. Let's pull this out. I think that's it. That's it. This is an old box. This reminds me of the box of a Jordan 12, just an old Jordan box. But what threw me off is I'm gonna try not to show that price is very high and this feels heavy. Is this the size? What size is this? What size? That looks like a sample tag. The only thing that I could think, I don't think it's in this box, is a Jordan 5 Tokyos, but I'm not sure. Can I give Nick, give me a color hint when I flash it. It kind of goes with the last shoe. So is it, this is a Jordan, ooh, a Jordan 8 Oregon Duck PE? Is that what this is? Pure platinum size 10.5, that is at $4,500, brand new. Now that is a PE right there. Holy, check these out. You got the duck on the tongue, Jordan 8s. The inside has like crazy fur lining. Check that out. Oh, it's a numbered pair too. So this is pair 159 of 270. Dang! Jordan 8 Oregon Pure Platinum PE, size 10.5, last sale $900. So these definitely went down crazy, but no, it's about like $1,800. So if we add that up, this is very conservative pricing and we're looking at about 11,000 total value. And that's at prices that I would probably list them at, not at like actual market prices. So you probably should add another 20% on that, but that's insane. We definitely got way more pairs than last time. So we have how many pairs? $10,000 worth of shoes. And I want to kind of put a challenge, a like challenge to this, because we spent $10,000. They said that they can do a $20,000 box. If this video can get, we haven't hit a crazy amount in a long time. I think if this video can hit 35,000 likes, we will do a $20,000 Soul Steals mystery box and see if we can get them to do actual beaters, because these are a lot of new shoes. So go ahead, leave a like down below. Please subscribe to the channel if you have enjoyed this. I will see you guys in the next one. I screwed up the outro. How about this? Also, don't forget to enter the giveaway. I will see you guys next time. This is Harrison, signing out.